everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie
and
Talbot.
we are Vocal Lab Collective.
We
were really
are
aggressive.
shouting.
We were so aggressive with that one.
Wow, you know what?
You came at me like that.
I did. I put my hair down and I was ready to go.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's what we want you to do as singers. Be assertive, be aggressive, be engaging,
Go for it.
be animated.
I mean, just why not?
And why not, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button right now.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Patreon.
And
We
be
got a
sure and
surprise.
check out the Vocal Lab from the bedroom to the stage, our new program.
It sounds risque, but it's not.
It's not. Well, I think everything that we do has a little bit of risque,
Just a
but
tiny bit. It's because we're
but it's
involved.
not. We help you go literally from the bedroom to the stage with your voice and with your art and with your career. So check that out. Also check out those streaming services for some of my music. You might like it, especially you're cooking dinner. You got a little date over. You know, you pour that wine. You're like,
someone's like, fly me to the moon.
You start me really low.
Fly me to the moon.
Yeah, we can throw that
Fly
down.
me to the moon.
Fly me to the moon.
There you go.
You're always in the moon. You're in the stars.
I'm in the stars.
You
I
are a star.
am the star.
Hey, speaking of stars, we got a big one today.
Holy cow,
You
I'm
guys
really
aren't
excited about
even
this
ready
one.
for this because we got one of your favorite stars
Yes.
doing a tribute to one of the biggest stars of
Oh
all
my gosh.
time.
So excited, you guys.
Just tell them.
All right, Dimash,
Yes.
his tribute to the one and
The
only.
one and only, my
Michael
favorite, Michael Jackson!
Jackson!
Hey, this is going to be crazy. Are you even ready
I'm
for
ready,
this?
I'm ready, I'm
Let's
ready.
go. So excited.
This is huge. This is huge.
What if his tribute was to Michael Jordan? Because it just said MJ. And we didn't know.
When he's doing some hoops.
бір Майкл Джексонның концертіне отырған сияқты шыңғырып отырайықшы ағай. Келістік па?
I'm so excited for
I know,
this.
I'm so excited for this.
Oh my gosh. The suspense.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that.
Stop.
Wow, what a production.
Oh my gosh.
Michael.
She was born like a pretty queen, and the moon's is sweet. I said that my bird, do you need higher? She says I
I wonder how they got permission to use this footage.
Baby, I'm so deep, you got the most to do. Not to the wild in the Rochester. And now my heart is so deep, you got the most to do. Be careful what you do, 'cause I got you close to do. And it's not my love.
High energy. I
Yeah.
love the energy.
How many dancers does he have up there?
Nice, nice. Jeez, this production's crazy.
It's insane.
Which is what he was about. He loved the suspense,
Yes.
right?
master at building suspense.
Oh, this song will make me cry. This song will make me cry. This is my favorite song.
It's your favorite Michael song?
Oh my gosh, it's my favorite Michael song.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you say to yourself again?
He's hanging.
What about healing things instead of time?
That light lyric tone there
What
is so
about
nice.
all the things that you say to yourself mind? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we've shed before? Did you ever stop to notice the crying knows between your shoulders?
Literally, this is my favorite song of his.
I used to dream, I used to glance beyond the stars. No, I don't know where we are. Also, I know.
I'm really excited for what he's going to do for this big full note. That was cool. That was really cool. It was very melancholy for me.
Oh.
Wow.
Such a moment.
Such a moment. So he picked the two songs that are on this video at least are I'm very happy to see the Earth song. Like literally it is my favorite song of his.
That's interesting. I never would have guessed that. But that's one of his great songs.
Great songs, but it was never like it's not Billie Jean, it's not Criminal. And you know, I moved out to LA and then soon after he died. And so it was really amazing to see how, I mean, the whole city shut down just completely in mourning. And so it's amazing after all of these years. Obviously, he's a legend. He's just a legend. The legacy that he's left all the way out in different cultures, how Dimash did a great job of the tribute, but still having his artist thumbprint on it.
Yeah, totally.
He did a really great job with that.
And he made his own. To me, what really stood out too was he made his own dynamic and captivating moment in this live show of something that was a tribute to one of the most iconic faces of all time, and singers of all time. The ability to do that is incredible. Incredible.
And also it's a huge honor to the person that you're doing the tribute to.
100%.
And I know for a fact that Michael, if he were in the crowd, would, you know, if Dimash tried to copy everything, you know, verbatim, I know Michael would say, no. You do what you do.
Yeah.
And let people see that.
Right.
And I think he did a great job. Holy cow.
Yeah, that's a holy cow.
Holy cow.
You got a holy cow, Dimash.
Oh my gosh, I mean,
Come on.
Of course you did.
Yeah, that was fantastic.
Now I need to go watch the documentary again.
I know.
All of it.
I know.
All of it.
We love Dimash. We love Michael Jackson.
We love Michael.
We love a lot of artists.
We love so many. And we love you guys.
And we love you guys. Were you going to say more? Oh, no, that was it.
I think that was kind of it, actually.
Hey, well, we should wrap this one.
Oh, we should. What a great feel.
A great feel.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah. I'm going to cry and
we're going to cry. We're going to talk
sing
about
the Earth song at the top of my lungs.
We're going to talk about Michael Jackson and his songs and all that
and the
stuff
impact.
Yeah. But until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Do a Michael squill.
I feel like I look like a goat in the light.
Goat Michael Jackson.